Welcome to Professor Akla Max, Plus 2 Mathematics, Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determinants, Video 1.17, Theorems 1.11 and 1.12, Example 1.17 and 1.18. Theorem 1.11. The rank of a matrix in row echelon form is the number of non-zero rows in it. Theorem 1.12. The rank of a non-zero matrix is equal to the number of non-zero rows in a row echelon form of the matrix. Example 1.17. Find the rank of the matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 5 by reducing it to a row echelon form. Here a 3 by 3 matrix is given. We need to find the rank of the matrix after reducing it to a row echelon form. Let A be the given matrix. Now see the pivot element A11. It is 1. Okay. Then we move to A21 to make it as 0. Here A21 is 2. So I can multiply row 1 by 2 and subtract from row 2. So the operation is R2 goes to R2 minus 2 R1. R2 values are 2, 1, 4. So multiplying R1 by 2, we get 2, 4, 6. Now subtracting, the values are 0, minus 3, minus 2. Let it be. Now parallelly we can convert this A31 to 0. A31 here is 3. So I multiply row 1 by 3 and subtract from row 3. So the operation is R3 goes to R3 minus 3 R1. R3 values are 305. 3 R1 values are 369. Now subtracting, I get 0, minus 6, minus 4. Now I substitute these two row values and get the equivalent matrix like this. Now see A32. It is minus 6. Next my target is to make it 0. For this I take row 2 as pivot row. Okay. So remember. So then A22 is minus 3 here. So if I multiply row 2 by 2 and subtract from row 3, I can make A32 as 0. So the operation is R3 goes to R3 minus 2 R2. R3 values are 0, minus 6, minus 4. 2 R2 values are 0, minus 6, minus 4. Subtracting, all the values goes 0. So I substitute. So the equivalent matrix what I got is 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 0, 0. No more possibility to make the other elements 0. So is it in echelon form? Yes. From the bottom and from the left all the elements are 0. So it is in row echelon form. Now how to get the rank? Count the number of non-zero rows. The first row is non-zero, second row is non-zero. So 1, 2, third row is 0 row. So the number of non-zero rows is 2. Therefore rank equal to 2. Got it? Superb. Example 1.18. Find the rank of the matrix. A 3 by 4 matrix is given. 2, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 2, minus 1, 7 by reducing it to an echelon form. Here a 3 by 4 matrix is given. I need to find the rank of the matrix and by reducing it to echelon form. Let A be the given matrix. First see A21. It is minus 3. Immediately I can't do it with the A11 because A11 is 2. So I take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So I try to make this minus 3 as minus 6 by multiplying R2 by 2. So the operation goes as R2 goes to 2 R2. Now keeping the first and third row as it is, my equivalent matrices, the second row goes as minus 6, 8, minus 4, minus 2. Now I want to make this minus 6 as 0. For that, I can multiply R1 by 3 and add with R2. So the operation is R2 goes to R2 plus 3R1. Since A11 and A21 are of different sign, we should add to make it as 0. Okay. So R2 values are minus 6, 8, minus 4, minus 2. 3R1 is 6 minus 6, 12, 9. Now adding 0, 2, 8, 7. Let it be. Then ensure that whether that value is 0. Okay. Now parallelly I can make the 6 also to be 0. That is A31 value. So again I multiply R1 by 3 and subtract with the R from R3 because A11 and A31 are of same sign. I have to subtract. So the operation is R3 goes to R3 minus 3 R1. R3 values are 6, 2, minus 1, 7. 3 R1 are 6 minus 6, 12, 9. Now subtracting, I get 0, 8, minus 13, minus 2. Now replacing these two rows in the corresponding place, I get the equivalent matrix as it is. Okay. So now again I have to make this A32 value, that is 8 here, this to be 0. For this I use the second row as pivot row. The A22 element is 2. So I multiply R2 by 4 and subtract from R3 because A22 and A32 are of same sign. Same sign means we have to subtract. So see the operation. R3 goes to R3 minus 4 R2. Okay. Now R3 values are like this. Take the 4 R2 values. Subtract. You get the value 0, 0, minus 45, minus 30. Ensure that A32 is 0. Okay. Now replace. Now I see the third row is getting values divisible by 15. So I can divide by minus 15 R3 values to make it simple. It is not necessary. Okay. So R3 goes to R2 by minus 15. So my values are like this. The third row goes as 0, 0, 3, 2. Now is it in the echelon form? Yes. From the bottom and from the left, all the values are 0. No more possibility to make the other elements to be 0. So this is the echelon form of the given matrix. Okay. So now count the number of non-zero rows. First row is non-zero, second row is also non-zero, third row is also non-zero. So number of non-zero rows are 3. Therefore, rank equal to number of non-zero rows equal to 3. Video 1.18 contents are Theorem 1.13, Example 1.19, 1.3.4 Gauss-Jordan method, Example 1.20 and 1.21. Stay tuned. Success is ours. Thank you, my dear children.